So for chapter 2, problem 3, we're going to be going over velocity, and this is going to be how it's applied to a word problem. So we know that the ball is projected at a time when t equals 0 at a point on a roof 90 meters above the ground. The ball rises, falls, strikes the ground, and the initial velocity of the ball is 80.5 meters per second. We have to consider that all quantities are positive in the upward direction, and the velocity of the ball when it is 89 meters above the ground is closest to what? So we have our initial velocity, which is 80.5 meters per second, and we're going to subtract 90 from 89 to get negative 1 meter. That is the value of the ball when it is that is the value of the height we're looking for and the velocity of the ball when it reaches that height. So we're gonna take the initial velocity of the ball, and we are going to put it in this equation right here, and we're gonna multiply the accepted value of gravity by 2 and then by the value of negative 1 to get this equation right here. And then we're going to add those two numbers to get this equation, which tells us the velocity of the ball when it is 89 meters above the ground. But since we know it's going in a downward direction, it's going to be negative, which is denoted right there. So the closest answer to 80.6 is 81 meters per second, which is C.